Welcome to our channel. Today we how to protect your digital advertising with AdRoll, detailed guide step by step clearly. To protect your digital advertising with AdRoll, start by creating an account on their platform. Visit the AdRoll website and click on the Get Started button. Fill in the required information such as your email address and password. Verify your email address by checking your inbox for a confirmation message. Once verified, log into your AdRoll account. Navigate to the dashboard where you can manage your campaigns. Set up your business profile by entering details about your brand and target audience. Go to the Settings section to customize your ad preferences. Enable necessary security features under the Security tab in your account settings. Conduct regular security audits to review access permissions and settings. Integrate your account with a secure payment method for safe transactions. Explore the options for retargeting you can implement to follow potential customers. Utilize AdRoll's AI-driven insights to optimize your advertising campaigns. Regularly monitor your ad performance and adjust your strategy based on data analytics. Create high-quality, engaging ads that resonate with your target audience. Stay updated on digital advertising best practices to maintain security and effectiveness. Lastly, ensure that your campaigns comply with privacy regulations to protect user data. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.